EPA licensed testers for motorcycles in Melbourne, nearby. Tullamarine Service Centre. Book 0401 997 034. Questions answered. Here for more information. Motorcycle owners, watch further. Notice to have motorcycle tested. Exhaust noise. 1. If you do not have a certificate of compliance, completed in time PF the nominated due date from EPA Victoria, they can fine you. Suspend your vehicle registration. Important notes, spoken by EPA Victoria. EPA can fine if you sell your motorcycle without completing a pass, which requires a certificate of compliance after receiving a request to test. Tullamarine Service Centre provides a comprehensive guide to motorcycle owners, a approved EPA licensed tester, able to provide testing. If you intend to sell your motorcycle, you will need to obtain a certificate of compliance before the pain and inconvenience amounts in a fine, then wasted financial costs. Tullamarine Service Centre will provide a fast resolution to your individual situation. Motorcycle data figures provided. Noisy motorcycle vehicles. A extract spoken by the EPA Victoria, dated 14 December 2016, and features Mr. Chris Webb from EPA Victoria. Environment Protection Authority points out data analysis to explore the backgrounds of some 5,000 noisy vehicle notices issued since 1 January 2014. 12% of these results were accountable to motorbike owners. Harley-Davidson owners at the top score, with 465 owners receiving an EPA notice that required these owners to have their bikes noise tested and to make any repairs to ensure compliance with the Environment Protection Act, 1970 and the Environment Protection Vehicle Emissions Regulations 2013. Yamaha, Honda and Kawasaki were the other vehicle makes to receive more than 20 notices. EPA Regulatory Practice and Strategy Executive Director, Chris Webb, said that noisy motorbikes were a focus for EPA, and feedback from the community was that motorbikes were considered as big, if not a bigger noise pollution problem, than cars. Our statistics back up public perception, with motorbike owners being sent 12% of our notices and yet they only make up 4% of vehicles on our roads, Mr. Webb said. Mr. Webb said motorbike noise limit regulations largely depended on when the bike was manufactured. Provided the bike's exhaust system has not been modified, all bikes manufactured from 2005 will need to pass their own specific noise limit, as set within the Australian design rules. A bike-specific stationary noise test information must be displayed on the vehicle for motorbikes manufactured from 1 March 1988, Mr. Webb said. However, if a bike was manufactured before 2005, or was manufactured after 2005 and has a modified exhaust system, it will have a limit of 94 dB. All bikes manufactured prior to 1 March 1985 will have a noise limit of 100 dB. Put into context, 100 dB sounds like a jet taking off from 305 meters away, and 94 dB would be like standing on a platform when a train goes past. Mr. Webb states that under the Environment Protection Act 1970, it was an offence against the registered owner of a motorbike to exceed prescribed noise standards. When a vehicle has been reported as being excessively noisy by either an EPA officer or a Victoria Police officer, the registered owner receives a notice requiring they take their bike to an EPA-approved noise tester, Mr. Webb said. The owners will then be required to make any repairs, modifications as required to ensure their motorbike is compliant before being retested. The notices also require the registered owner to lodge a certificate of compliance, which can only be obtained from an approved noise tester. EPA has the power to suspend a vehicle's registration if a certificate is not provided. EPA encourages the community to report noisy motorbikes at their local police station. If a police officer is able to observe the vehicle being too noisy on a public road, the vehicle will be referred to EPA so a notice can be issued to the vehicle owner. This extract was reviewed by the EPA on 23 August 2019. Footnote open only to speculation without factual evidence. It is believed that many police forces may use 90 dB as the limit to take account for the effects of any wear or tear present. In the description of this video there are some reading links. A further understanding EPA Victoria Australia. Learn how EPA calculate its fees and fines. Link in the description of this video titled Gazette number G16 dated 23 April 2020. EPA Victoria is located at 200 Victoria Street, Carlton, Victoria, 3053. A guide written by the Motor Cycle News, an international motorcycle weekly publication. Access, complete in-depth guide, replacing your motorbike exhaust silencer. This, for all the DIY guys. Find the access link in the video description. Thank you for watching. Tullamarine Service Centre.